Welcome to Japan. We're here to find out what everybody's got to say about the big themes and big plans for the next couple of years actually are. Let's find out.
We work in a really exciting industry, consumer products and retail. And what's been amazing here is seeing all these different players, big and small, come together and address how are they going to improve health of our consumers, how are they going to improve sustainability, but how are they going to do it together? So I'm really excited to see where these collaborations go in the next few months.
We obviously had our session, which was fabulous. 100 people packed into a room, really interested in thinking about data and control of data. And I think my takeaway from that is they're really up for the journey. They just want to get going. How do we get going with the control of data? How do we start to manage chaos and drive value?
Generative AI, clearly a big hot topic. Incredible to hear our companies are going to be using this today, tomorrow, the day after tomorrow. Really, really genuinely exciting stuff. The key messages popping out: teamwork, collaboration, get started, don't wait. Do things together, you'll go further and you'll go longer.
We need to collaborate as an industry across companies, across geographies, and really make a difference.